Hey guys, wanted to give you a quick update on uh, some of the latches I bought on Amazon. So I got a couple of these for the doors that I'm building for the back storage area with the gas tanks and the batteries. And I thought I was getting everything. I really didn't pay close enough attention, but I ended up getting two of these, and the price was good, but they didn't come with the back plate. Uh, that the screws actually attach to behind the hole. So I thought I would take this opportunity to kind of use my laser to cut out and make my own. So I thought you guys might enjoy that and see how I did it. So basically it's going on the doors that these latches for the boat that I've been talking about. You can see here I've got a hole drawn up kind of in the middle of the door here, and these are the doors that are basically going to go on the back area. I'll show you right now. So you can see that top piece, I've got those already wrapped and covered with vinyl. I've got the vinyl in. It's a gray color. The doors are going to be blue, so I think it's going to turn out pretty nice. But I'll show you real quick how I'm going to generate these back plates out of acrylic on my laser. So using my calipers and my software for my laser, I kind of laid out this back plate like just looking at some other ones online, what they look like. So I just took some measurements and drew that out in the software. The software I'm using is Laser Style. It comes with the CO2 lasers from Gravigraph. I'm actually a rep for them, so I'm going to go ahead and plug the software in the machine while I'm at it here. But you can see I've laid out the back plates for the Cam Latches here. I've got two matrix together here, and I'm going to cut both of them out at the same time. So let me go ahead and send the file over. Should be good. Got some presets for my acrylic material already set up here. Send that file over. Okay. So now I'll come over to the laser. And you'll see a couple I pre-cut, just trying to get the holes to line up perfectly. So on the second one we actually got it nailed down, so I'm going to go ahead and run these two. And got to go to the next file here. There's the Cam Latch file with my settings, and we'll go ahead and hit the start button to start the process. So you'll see the laser will come over and it'll start cutting the acrylic. So it's cutting the inner holes first for the screws, and then it'll go out and do the outline. So I know these aren't going to be as strong as metal ones would be, but it sure is a heck of a lot easier to cut them with a CO2 laser out of acrylic rather than trying to machine these out of metal. It's just fast, and I can always make new ones if I need to. It's just going to be strong enough. This is about almost a quarter-inch thick acrylic, so it's pretty thick, so it should hold pretty well. Alright, so about a minute and a half and we got two Cam Latch backs cut. So I'm going to pull this out and see if we can get these out. Right here. Take a look. Sometimes this acrylic can be hard to get out. There we go. Out. There we are. So I'm going to punch the holes out real quick, and then I'll put it on the back of the latch so you can see. Alright, there we are. So got the acrylic, you see it's pretty thick, so I think that'll go on the back side of the door and tighten down pretty nice, serve its purpose. Took a little bit of design, maybe about 30 minutes to get them laid out, so I'm pretty happy with it. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. I've got more videos to come. I will have one for the seat boxes and the doors that I'm currently working on right now, and I'll have that done hopefully soon. I've already started wrapping the seat boxes, the lid. I've still got to get some hinges in for the lid to the seat boxes, and get the door pieces that are mounted onto the side where the door is going to screw onto. I've got to get those installed and glassed in, but it's coming along pretty good. So stay tuned, and I'll piece that video together so you can kind of see from beginning to end on that part of the project. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great one.